Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Now, today we are going to revise lesson number 2 of geography, that is land, soil, water, natural vegetation, and wildlife. If you are having the notebook and the work is completed in the notebook, open the notebook. Yes, first question, the one who is having the notebook. What is the first question given in that? Stand up and repeat. First question. Yes. Speak out. You are having the notebook? Read the first question. Now listen carefully, guys. Yes. Which lesson you are speaking now? Which are the two main climatic factors responsible for soil formation? This is the first question. Then which question? Okay. I am going to give you first question. Give the reason for uneven distribution of population in different parts of the world. This is the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have to give reason for the uneven distribution of population in different parts of the world. What is the reason? Answer? Yes.
The uneven distribution of the population in different parts of the world is varied characteristics of land and climate.
Yes. So the answer will be the uneven distribution of population in different parts of the world is varied characteristics of land and climate. Varied characteristics means different types of land and different types of climate is there. That is why the population also is diverse. It is different in different areas. If the climate and land is proper, land is proper, climate condition is proper, then what will happen? More population will reside over that particular region. Yes or no? अगर लैंड fertile होगी, क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन अच्छी होगी, टेम्परेचर अच्छी होगी, और तो क्या होगा? ज्यादातर population reside करेंगी. Why? Because वहाँ पर जो भी नीड है, डेली नीड है, डेली रिक्वायरमेंट है, वहाँ पर पूरी हो जाएगी. फूड रिक्वायरमेंट पूरी हो गई, because of the fertile land available for the crop, and the climate also will be then they will be able to cope up with the moderate climate. लेकिन hard changing climate number, extreme cold or extreme hot, will be able to survive the climate condition. नहीं, हमको क्या बहुत survive करने के लिए अगर extreme cold है तो भी अपनी क्या लगा जो बुलंद हो और hot climate में हम extreme मानते हैं जो भी हम survive करेंगे. Clear? और uneven distribution of land also. Land means in the middle of rocky region. वहाँ पर क्या है? कम लोग हैं. Where fertile plain area यहाँ पर ज़्यादा reside करते हैं. So the population depends on two main reasons. What are they? Variety types of land and climate. Clear this question? Second is, in which purpose is land used? So you have to write down the purpose in which the land is used. So next question, what purpose is land used? Land is used.
वो तो आपको डायग्राम बना दो सोलर सिस्टम का या जो भी एसएसटी में उसके बारे में लिखो, अगर उसमें डायग्राम बना रहे हो तो उनके बारे में रिलेटेड मैसेज लिखो। उनके बारे में अगर साइंस में आप बना रहे हो डायग्राम तो उसमें आप एक्सप्लेनेशन दे दो, इसमें अगर बना रहे हो तो उसमें एक्सप्लेनेशन मोस्ट प्रोबेबली सही नहीं होता साइंस में। So land is used for different purposes such as agriculture. The first use of land is agriculture. Second is forestry. For the forest purpose also land is used. Third purpose mining for digging out ore. Clear? Then building houses, roads and setting up industry. So for all these purposes we need the land for building, for mining, for forestry, for agriculture purpose. So all these is the main purpose of having a land. Third question, mention the physical factors which determine the land use pattern. Now you have to give the physical factors which determine what? The land use pattern. What are the factors on the basis of we can say that this land can be used for this purpose? क्या मेन फैक्टर है जिसकी बेसिस पे हम कह सकते हैं कि इस तरह की लैंड इस यूज के काम में आ सकती है, इस काम में आ सकती है? फर्स्ट इज टोपोग्राफी. Topography means the type of land, whether it is hilly area, whether it is valley, plains, कैसा है वो एरिया, किस टाइप की वो लैंड है, टोपोग्राफी. सेकेंड, सॉइल, the type of soil present in that. All the crops need equal type of or similar type of soil to grow. नहीं, किसी में alluvial चाहिए, किसी में black soil चाहिए, as you already know. So the type of soil also matters. What type of crop to be grown. Climate also, somewhere very hot climate is there in that particular, very hot, extreme hot is there, when no rainfall is there. What type of plants grow over there? Cactus and all. Clear? And very fertile soil is there. Climate is also abundant of rainfall is there. Then more greenery, forest, long tall trees, evergreen forest will be there. So soil also. Then third, minerals. Minerals, on the basis of minerals also, if the particular region is having more minerals, it can be dug out easily, then that particular land can be used for mining ores also. Clear? Yeah. Then next is availability of water. First and foremost thing is also there, the availability of water should be there. Whether you are opening any industry, whether the area is for residential purpose, रहने के लिए काम में ले लो, चाहे एग्रीकल्चर के काम में ले लो, और to build up any industry, any industry or factory, availability of water is very important. So what are the factors on which the land use pattern depends on? Topography, soil, climate, availability of water and minerals. You are sitting here to speak. Repeat after me. Land use pattern. Repeat. Topography, climate, soil, minerals, availability of water. Clear? Next is differentiate between private and community land. Now, as the name indicates, private means belonging to one particular individual. Community means whole community is involved for that particular land purpose. Clear? So, as the name indicates, private land is owned by individuals, whereas community land is owned by community for common use, like collection of fodder, fruits, nuts और medical herbs. Clear? Common purpose के लिए कोई particular land use हो रही है, चाहे वो collection of fodder, community का पूरा community के जो भी animals हैं वो rare हो रहे हैं land में, feed हो रहे हैं उस land में, then it is used for community purpose या कुछ भी community ने एक industry लगा दी या factory setup कर दी and the whole community is responsible for that, so it is a community resource. Then which type of land is called common property resource? Common property resource, C for common. Common property resource कैसे होगा? जब वो community को belong करेगा, पूरी community को belong करेगा तो that means it is common land. Clear? Next is mention some common methods used to conserve land. How we should conserve land? How we should protect our land? First is afforestation. पेड़ ज्यादा से ज्यादा लगाएंगे, अगर काट दिया जाएगा तो क्या होगा? Affect our life. Then land reclamation. Land reclamation means if fertile land is carried out, we should help it out more that the land regain its fertility. Clear? Next is regulated use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers and check on overgrazing. अगर हमने regulated means proper control नहीं करा use of pesticides and fertilizers, then the land will lose its fertility. Then again next is last check on overgrazing. Check on overgrazing means particular एक ही जगह पे again and again the cattle are taken to feed on that particular area. Then that again that land will get damaged due to the overgrazing of animals. Clear? Afforestation पेड़ काटने की वजह से डैमेज होगा. Second, land reclamation. Land reclamation means अगर उसकी fertility हट गई है एक ही जगह पर हम लोग बैठ के इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन और ये सब हो रहा है तो वो भी एक तरीके से लैंड को स्पॉइल कर रहा है, पोल्यूशन. देन थर्ड रेगुलेटेड यूज ऑफ केमिकल पेस्टिसाइड्स एंड फर्टिलाइजर्स, उसको भी हमें कंट्रोल करना है. एंड देन चेक ऑन ओवरग्रेजिंग. नाउ डिफाइन लैंडस्लाइड्स. Define landslides. Landslides are simply defined. Repeat after me. Landslides are simply defined as the mass movement of rocks, debris, or earth down a slope. Rock या बड़े-बड़े we can say slabs of stones, वो slope से नीचे rotate होंगे तो उससे क्या होगा? That means it is a landslide. Clear? Next is which are the major threats to our environment? Major threats to our environment. Major threat means किन चीजों से हमारे environment को नुकसान पहुंच सकता है? So what are they? Land degradation, soil erosion and desertification. Land degradation, repeat after me. Soil erosion and desertification. Again, now question again repeat. Which are the major threats to our environment? Which are the major threats? हमारे environment को किससे नुकसान होने का डर है? First is land degradation. If the fertility of soil is lost, अगर fertility soil की fertility lost हो जाएगी तो भी क्या होगा? Degradation of land. Land की degrade की less quality. Quality of land will be less. Clear? Then next is soil erosion. Soil erosion how? how soil erosion takes place?
Cutting of trees.
Cutting of trees also, plus with the flood and all natural calamities also, the upper layer, which is the fertile layer, is carried away.
Yes.
That is why soil erosion takes place. Then desertification. Desertification means if trees are cut down, what will happen? No rain, no rainfall. Then if no rainfall will be there, then no growth of vegetation, and simply it will lead to desertification. एकदम खाली हो जाएगा, ना प्लांट लाइफ ना एनिमल लाइफ. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज what is soil? What is soil? Repeat after me.
What is soil?
Yes, soil is a thin layer of
Soil is a layer of
grainy substance
grainy substance
covering the surface of the earth.
covering the surface of the earth.
Repeat again. What is soil?
What is soil?
Soil is the
Soil is the
what is soil?
What is soil? Soil is a very thin layer of grainy substance covering.
Now I use you repeat. Yes. Stand up. What is soil? पता नहीं. Soil is the grainy substance, layer of grainy substance covering the surface of the earth. Who asked you to sit down? First repeat once and then only sit down. Yes. Soil is the thin layer of grainy substance. Then first time you repeated. Anybody else? You repeat out. Yes. Listen carefully now.
What is soil?
Yes.
Soil is the grainy substance that covering the earth's surface.
Yes. Clear? Now you stand up. Which are the major threats to our environment? Which are the major threats to the environment? Now what happened? When he was asked, you were interfering. Now I am giving you chance. Are you sit down? Yes, who will give the answer? Major threat to the environment? Yes.
Land degradation, soil erosion, and desertification.
Now repeat.
Land degradation, soil erosion, and desertification.
Clear? Sit down. Next is, what do you mean by weathering? What do you mean by weathering? Weathering is the breaking up and decay of exposed rocks by temperature changes, frost action, plants, animals, and men. So what is weathering? Weathering is the breaking up of rocks. Rocks को smaller pieces में जब वो break हो जाते हैं तो that is called as weathering. Clear? Responsible factors may be different. जो उसको break करने के लिए responsible हैं वो different can be different. It can be through explosion, by temperature changes, या frost, या plants, animals, anybody can be responsible. But the main thing is what is weathering? It is breaking up of rock. Clear? Then what makes the soil fertile? The right mix of minerals and organic matter makes the soil fertile. Soil को fertile कौन बनाता है? The right mix of minerals and organic matter. Clear? Then the diagram is there. All these are very short. You can go through that. And after that, I had also given a few questions as revision work 3. Here today on student portal, I will upload that questions also in the PDF form. You can go through that and learn and write down the answers for that. Which are the two main climatic factors responsible for soil formation? Temperature and rainfall. Two main climatic factors responsible for soil formation due to what type of temperature plus the amount of rainfall. Accordingly, the soil form will be there. Then write any two reasons for land degradation today.
Deforestation and increasing of chemicals.
Yes, we have already understood this question. Then why is land considered an important resource?
And provide habitation to provide.
Yes, habitation to wide variety of plants and animals. I had given this. Go through means the second lesson only same. आगे थोड़ा सा करोगे तो वही सात्विक दिया था सातवीं दिया था आगे थोड़ा सा. Then name two steps that government has taken to conserve plants and animals. Which two steps have government taken to conserve plants and animals?
Killing of lions, tiger, deer, snake, Indian.
First is national parks, setup of national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reserves for protecting natural vegetation and wildlife. Government ने क्या स्टेप लिए? First is setting up national parks, wildlife sanctuaries and biosphere reserves. Then second point, it has banned the killing of lions, tiger, deer, great Indian bustard and peacock. First, so setting up of national parks, wildlife sanctuaries and biosphere. Second, ban on killing of and different names of animals. Third, prohibited the trade of species of plants and animals protected under the international agreement CITES. That means it has also prohibited the trade of species. जो import export होता था जानवरों का ये भी क्या कर दिया है? बैन कर दिया. So these are the steps government has taken to conserve wildlife, plants and animals. Then 3 ways to conserve water. 3 ways to conserve water. Rainwater harvesting, then replenishing groundwater by promoting afforestation and reducing the wastage of water, making more aware by the people. Here to make the people aware about not to misuse, we can say, the water. We should not use this. Whatever quantity we need, that much only we should use. ये नहीं कि आज पानी आया तो घर भी धो रहे हैं, एक्स्ट्रा में ही काम हो रहा है और सब जगह पूरी मोहल्ला गली गीला पानी, तो दैट मीन्स आज पानी आया है. और वो पानी आया दैट डजंट मीन्स के आज ही सारा काम. यू हैव टू कंजर्व. जितना अगर जरूरत है देन यूज इट, अदरवाइज नो. देन ओनली वी कैन कंजर्व वाटर. Then define landslides and also mention its magnitude techniques, mitigation techniques. You have to define landslides. Landslides just now we have defined. Clear? Then its mitigation techniques. Mitigation technique means how we should cope up with this situation. First is hazard mapping to locate areas prone to landslides. Means we should have proper information about which all areas are most prone to this natural calamity. हमें पहले से ही सोच कर रखना है, एक तरीके से मैप बना करके इस एरिया में पर्टिकुलर ज्यादा लैंडस्लाइड्स होते हैं और इसीलिए फिर उन एरियाज को जब वो हमारे नॉलेज में होंगे तो देन इन दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया रेजिडेंशियल बिल्डिंग शुड बी देयर. जब हमें पता है ऑलरेडी लैंडस्लाइड्स का पोजीशन रहती है तो वहां पर कम से कम रहने के लिए बोलना है लोगों को. Then construction of retention wall to stop land from slipping. Now construction of retention wall, इस तरीके से सहारे के तौर पर एक कुछ वॉल्स वगैरह खड़ी करना है ताकि ज्यादा डैमेज नहीं हो। लैंडस्लाइड हो तो उसका एक तरीके से वो बैरियर का काम करे। क्लियर? देन इंक्रीज इन वेजिटेशन कवर टू अरेस्ट लैंडस्लाइड, जहां पर लैंडस्लाइड हो रही है तो वहां पर इंक्रीज इन वेजिटेशन, ज्यादा से ज्यादा पेड़ वगैरह उगा दो तो क्या होगा, एक तरीके से उनको वो लैंड को फर्मनेस मिलेगी, एक तरीके से स्ट्रॉन्ग होल्ड मिल जाएगा ट्रीज की वजह से। देन द सरफेस ड्रेनेज कंट्रोल वर्क्स the control the movement of landslide along with the rainwater and spring flows. सरफेस रन ऑफ नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है। सरफेस रन ऑफ होगा वाटर का तो नेचुरली जब तेजी से वाटर फ्लो करेगा तो उसके साथ क्या है, लैंडस्लाइड होने के मोर चांसेस हैं, तो सरफेस वाटर को रोकना है। Then describe the methods of soil conservation. Methods we have already understood about mulching. That background between plants is covered with the layer of organic matter. Then contour barriers. Stone, grass, and soil are used to build the barriers. Contour barriers. Barriers means a type of restriction. Stones वगैरह से restriction, सूखी घास वगैरह लगा देते हैं बीच बीच में। Then rock dam, rocks are piled up to slow down the flow of water. बीच बीच में चट्टान के टुकड़े लगा देते हैं ताकि जब फ्लो ऑफ वाटर हो तो उसके साथ सॉइल नहीं बहे साथ में। क्लियर? Then intercropping, different crops are grown in alternate rows and are sown in different times. And then contour plowing, parallels to the contour of the hill slopes to form a natural barrier for water to flow. Contour plowing, जो हिल स्लोप्स है वहां पर स्लोप्स के एंड पे ट्रीज उगा दिया जाए, then also it will conserve the flowing of water with the soil. And shelter belts, coastal and dry regions, rows of trees are planted to check the wind's movement to protect the soil cover. Now describe the what are sites. You have got that question answer? Question answer are there? Okay, what are sites? CITES. It is an international agreement. It is an international agreement. इसकी डेफिनेशन बोल रही हूँ मैं। CITES. So it is an international agreement between governments. It is an international sites क्या है? एक agreement है between the governments.